Good morning, everyone. It's Adam with Seaside Vacations. I'm at the Sutton Street Beach Access in Kill Devil Hills this morning with your beach report for Thursday, April 12th. Happy Thursday. We got a pretty day, bright sun, blue skies, but it's a little cool. Temps are going to be in the upper 50s, lower 60s, and we've got a northwest wind blowing at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So it's a little cool today, but it's warming up. We're going to have some great weather heading into the weekend. Tomorrow's going to be up to about 65 or so. The wind's going to slow down to about 5 miles per hour tomorrow, and then by Saturday it's going to jump up to about 70 degrees, and the wind will switch offshore and be real light out of the southwest. So we're going to have a gorgeous weekend, and looking ahead to the 10-day forecast, there's no rain, just nothing but sun, and temps hovering around 70 degrees. So we got a great 10-day forecast ahead of us. Unfortunately, not much surf to report. The winds over the past day or so have kicked up some wind swell, but that looks like it died down this morning, and when this wind switches offshore on Friday into Saturday, unfortunately there won't be any swell in the water for the wind to clean up the surf. So it doesn't look like we'll have surf over the next few days, but the good news is that fishing has picked up quite a bit. We're getting a whole bunch of reports out of the piers, a wide variety of fish, anything from blues, flounders, croaker, puffers, blowtoads. So a wide variety of fish. Offshore they're seeing some yellowfin tuna, mako, wahoo, mahi. So Outer Banks fishing has definitely picked up. The spring fish are in the area. If you're thinking about coming down, please give us a look, OuterBanksVacations.com, and I'll give you a quick peek at the beach. It's a relatively busy week with spring breakers down here, but it's a pretty quiet morning. Not too many people out here, just a few joggers and people out collecting some shells. So hope you guys have a great Thursday. Hope to see you soon.